The hiring process at High Tech High is one of the most important things we do here, and we take it very seriously because, ultimately, the most important people in the building are teachers, and everyone else supports them. Whether it's the custodian, the director, or the college counselor, we're all supporting the work of the teachers in the classroom. And when hiring teachers, it's vastly important, not to only spend a great deal of time and effort in making sure that we have the right people in the jobs, but that the community makes the decision as well. So really, if you're aiming for a royal flush, it's going to take a lot of hard work and a little luck. The hiring process here at High Tech High involves students, teachers, and administrators, and generally takes quite a bit of time. Now, initially, candidates submit their profiles, resumes, cover letters, and transcripts, even photos if they wish, to a jobs database that is sourced by school administrators, and the highest quality candidates are elected to come and spend some time in our schools. The final step in High Tech High's hiring process is something called the Bonanza, which is essentially an all-day hiring experience. And it has a lot of different moving parts, but the most important ones are the interviews. And the interviews take place with all the various constituents in our community. These are student interviews with no adults present, interviews with colleagues, interviews with potential teaching partners, interviews with our parents. And in addition to the interviews, the candidates participate in a teaching demonstration where they spend an hour giving the best lesson that they can teach. The lesson is then evaluated by the students themselves with the host teacher. And as that's happening, simultaneously, the candidate who gave the lesson is reflecting on that lesson, generally with an administrator. The afternoon involves a project design simulation or potentially a reading, where we like to see things like, will this person play nicely with others? Meaning, is the person professional? Would that person get along well with our colleagues? Would they be natural collaborators? Do they listen well and share respectfully? Honestly, do they philosophically align with the mission of our school? And by experiencing a full day, the candidates themselves get a nice look at what High Tech High is really about, and we in turn get a really good sense of, as a community, who this candidate is and whether or not they would be a good fit here. It really is the most important thing that we do at High Tech High.